My brothers and sisters, wherever you are, in Gambella, across Ethiopia, and in the diaspora, today I speak with a heavy heart. I speak not to attack anyone, but to tell the truth that many people know and many people refuse to say. For years, the Nuer community in Gambella has been facing a systematic pattern of targeting, intimidation, and violence. This is not a secret. This is not a rumor. This is our lived experience. To anyone listening, especially our Ethiopian brothers and sisters who live with us in Gambella, you know what has been happening. You have seen it with your own eyes. You live beside us. You work beside us. You share the same market, school, and road with us. We work in the same offices, eating the same food. You know how many times the Nuer people have been attacked, how many times our people have been killed, and how many times our name has been blamed unfairly. But when the time comes to report the truth upward, the information change. Wrong story reach the higher authority, fact disappear, and the Nuer community continues to suffer in silence. And let me be clear on this. Even though the Nuer are the majority in Gambella, we are facing challenges that no majority should ever face. We cannot protect our community. We cannot safeguard our workers, our youth, our mothers, our children. We rely completely on the higher authority for protection. And yet, nobody has ever come forward to tell us the reason why our Nuer brothers and sisters are being killed again and again. We demand answered. We demand an explanation, because without knowing the reason, how can we move forward as a region? How can we heal? Our people are not safe. Our workers are not safe. Our civilians are not safe. And most painfully, our children are not safe. What crime did they commit? What makes their life less valuable than the life of others? How long can a community continue living under fear, violence, and silence? We are human beings. We are Ethiopian. We are your neighbor. And we deserve equal protection and equal justice. To the authorities in Addis Ababa and to those responsible for security in Gambella, the truth will never reach you unless honest voices speak. You need to hear the real situation on the ground, not the filtered version that hide the daily suffering of the Nuer. We are not asking for revenge. We are demanding justice, safety, and the truth. We are demanding recognition of our pain and genuine action to protect every innocent life. To the Nuer community around the world, stay united, stay peaceful, and continue raising your voice through legal and peaceful means. To the other communities of Gambella, our safety is your safety. Our peace is your peace. No region can prosper when one community is bleeding and silent. I can tell you that we do not speak to divide. We speak because silence has become dangerous. We cannot continue watching our people die while the world pretends nothing is happening. This is our plea. See us, hear us, protect us, and allow Gambella to become a region where Nuer, Nyak, Majang, Komo, Oppo, and Highlanders can all live with dignity and true peace. Without all this, we are not a region. We are a region because we work together. So if there is instability within our community as Nuer people, just remember that it is the instability around Gambella as well.